Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer files from Android to an external hard drive. Now you can see I have a little thumb drive here. However, keep in mind on this one, it is a USB 2. So I need to convert it. I have a little converter here that you can see that will convert the USB 2 over to USB-C. So make sure you have a USB-C. Most Android phones have the USB-C at the bottom. And now all I'm going to do is plug it in as you would plug in to charge your Android phone. So I've plugged that in. It takes a couple of seconds to register that it is in there. And now let's swipe up to get to your app drawer. You can either use the Samsung Files app or the Google Files app, depending on which you prefer and what phone you have. So open up the either Google Files app, and at the bottom here you can see is that USB device, or I can alternatively open up the My Files app. Essentially this is the built-in Samsung app. You can see it takes a little bit to pop up, but right under internal storage is that USB storage. And I can tap on it. Currently there's nothing in there except some random folder. So let's add a photo. So I'm going to swipe up and tap on images. And let's say this image I wanted to add to the USB or external hard drive. So I'm going to press and hold on it. So I'm going to select that. Of course, you can select multiple different files. And now I want to tap on either the move or I can tap on copy if I just wanted to keep it on my Android phone, but just create a copy on that external hard drive. Now you can see in here, instead of internal storage, I'm going to tap on USB storage and then just hit copy here. Now, after I've done that, you can see it is copied. Let's make sure it is in there just by tapping back, tapping on the USB storage, and there is that image. Now it is in that USB storage. After you've done that, let's safely unmount or eject this. Tap on those three dots at the top right, and there is unmount. Essentially, you can unmount this and then take it wherever you want. Just tap on the unmount button, and now you're good to go to physically remove that USB thumb drive or the external hard drive, and you can take all those files wherever you want. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and thanks for watching.